Sit back onto your heels. If you'd like, you can place a blanket or a cushion onto your heels to make this more comfortable. Reach your right arm up towards the ceiling, alongside your ear. Bend the elbow, bringing your palm in between your shoulder blades. Take hold of your right elbow, drawing the arm in towards your head and back. Keep crawling the fingertips down between your shoulder blades and reaching the arm back alongside your ear. Extend your left arm out to the side. Flip the palm, bringing the thumb down towards the floor. Bend your elbow and bring the back of your hand between your shoulder blades. Crawl the fingertips towards one another. If it's possible, lock fingers together. If not, stay here, just reaching towards connecting fingers. And if you have a belt, you can also use that to pull into, reaching the right elbow up, the left down. Think about lengthening the elbows away from each other, keeping the heads of the shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And bring your palms back onto your lap. Reach your left arm up towards the sky. Bend the elbow, bringing the palm between your shoulder blades. Take hold of your left elbow and draw the arm back and in, placing it alongside your ear. Keep crawling your fingertips between your shoulder blades and down your back. Extend your right arm out to the side. Flip the palm, bend the elbow, and place the back of the hand between your shoulder blades. Once again, reach to connect your fingers together. If possible, hook your fingers. If not, simply reach to connect fingers and continue reaching your elbows away from each other. Left elbow reaching up, right elbow reaching down. Roll the right shoulder back. Shoulder blades moving in and down the back. Keep the chest lifted and the navel moving in towards the spine, sitting tall. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Place the palms back onto your lap. Make your way to hands and knees, placing both palms on the floor beneath your shoulders, knees beneath the hips. We'll move through cat and cow. As you inhale, reach the chest forward, pelvis up and back. Press into the heel of your palms. Exhale. Round the spine, reaching the back up towards the sky. Tailbone moves down, crown of the head moves down. Broaden along the shoulder blades. Inhale, press into the heel of your palms as though you were dragging the mat back. Exhale, round the back, press into the fingertips as if you're pressing your mat forward. Inhale, press into the heels, dragging the mat back. Feel these actions in your arms. Exhale, round the back, press into the fingertips. Press the mat forward, broaden along your shoulder blades. Inhale, broaden along the collarbones, press the mat back. Exhale, press the mat forward as you round the back. Inhale, broadening along the collarbones, shoulder blades back, dragging the mat back. Exhale, round the spine, press the mat forward. Inhale, broaden along the collarbones. And exhale, sit back to child's pose. Have the hips be heavy onto the heels, rest the forehead. And crawl the fingertips forward, keeping the palms shoulder distance apart. Anchor your shoulder blades down your back towards your hips. And round the tops of the arms away from each other. Spread your fingers. Press into the base knuckles. Press into the heel of the palms. Firm the triceps and lift the elbows. Draw the belly button into the spine. Curl your toes under, lift the hips up and back as you exhale. Bend your knees, come up high on the balls of your feet. And on the bottom of the exhale, either step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale halfway, reaching the chest forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach out and up, dive up. Exhale, palms to heart center. Bring your feet together, toes touching, heels slightly apart. Inhale, chair pose, sit low. Press the knees together. Find the buoyancy that gives. And draw the arms up alongside the ears. Reach through the fingertips, lengthen through the torso, and then sit just a bit lower, bringing the weight into your heels. Continue to draw the arms up by the ears and round the tops of the shoulders away from each other, almost as though the armpits want to face into one another. Broadening along the collarbones, lifting the chest. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank. Take an inhale in plank. Reaching the chest forward, the heels back. Keep drawing the shoulder blades back towards your hips as the heels press back against an imaginary wall. Exhale, shift your weight forward, draw the elbows back, skimming your ribs, lower all the way to the floor. Inhale, low cobra, lifting the chest, pressing the tops of the legs against the floor. Exhale, lower. Press into your hands, inhale, thread the chest forward, find your upward facing dog, knees off the floor. Tops of the feet against the floor. See that your shoulders are over your wrists, and see that your shoulder blades are back and in towards your spine. Inhale here, and scoop the belly in. Exhale, lift the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Step your feet together. Inhale the right leg up and back. Exhale, step it through to the right thumb. Place your left heel down, and inhale, find warrior one. See that your feet are hip-width distance apart, and shorten your stance if needed. Try and square the hips, bringing that left hip forward and rounding that left inner thigh back. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Lift the chest, lift the navel, keep the hips nice and square. Work towards lowering that front knee right over the ankle. But have your focus be on maintaining the square in the hips. Inhale into the collarbones, reaching the knuckles down towards your back heel. Keep the palms pressing together. Inhale and exhale, fold to the inside of your leg, reaching the knuckles up towards the sky. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, fold to the inside of your leg. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to plank. Shoulders over wrists, heels over toe mounds. Stay here, reaching the shoulder blades down your back, reaching the sternum forward. Firm your thighs. Roll the inner thighs up towards the sky. And draw the sit bones down towards your heels. Come onto the outer edge of your right foot, taking side plank, stacking the feet, stacking the hips. If you like, leaving the right knee on the floor and just extending the left leg. Have your right shoulder right over your wrist. Reach the left fingertips up. Keep the shoulder blades moving in and down the back. Keep the hips stacked. And revolve the chest towards the sky. Exhale to plank. Inhale here, shoulders reaching back, heels reaching back. Good. Exhale, take 3 mini push-ups, taking whatever degree of a bend in the elbows. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your feet together. Inhale the left leg up and back. Exhale, step it through to your left thumb. Plant your back heel down. Inhale, warrior one. Separate the feet about hip width distance. Angle in your back foot and square the hips while trying to create that deeper bend in the front knee. Roll the right inner thigh back. Bring the right hip forward. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind you. Press the palms together, reach the knuckles down. Inhale into your collarbones. Draw the navel in and tuck the tailbone down, keeping the hips squared. Inhale. And exhale, fold to the inside of your leg, reaching the knuckles up towards the sky, keeping the palms pressing together. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, pull yourself up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, pull yourself up. And exhale, plant both hands, find plank. Shoulders over wrists, heels over toe mounds. Reach the chest forward, shoulders reaching back. Reach the heels back. come onto the outer edge of your left foot, taking side plank. Whatever variation you took last time, placing the knee down or keeping both legs extended. Wherever you are, stack the hips. Right hip over the left hip. And from there, twist from the navel, bringing the right ribs back, left ribs forward, opening the chest to the sky. Exhale to plank. Inhale to find your plank, lengthening in opposite directions. And on the exhale, take 3 mini push-ups. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Find your breath in down dog. Continuing to move the shoulder blades up the back. Reaching the hips up and back. Bend your knees, come up high on the balls of your feet. And on the bottom of the exhale, either step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Bring the feet together, toes touching, heels slightly apart. Inhale, chair pose, sit back, bring the weight back into the heels. And draw the arms up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms to heart center.